We are called to serve humanity, endowed with the art and science of caring. We are built on integrity and discipline that transcends through every generation. Immaculate and amicable, we are the source of hope to ailing ones and the foundation for building a healthy world. Together we shall stand. No seas are great, no seas are caring, an epitome of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be an us. From near and far we have gathered with one goal, to uphold the good name of our profession, and for neatness and splendor, you for understanding, R for responsiveness, S for selfless service, I innovative and initiative, N for honorability, G for gentleness and love. No seas are great, no seas are caring, an epitome of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be an us. We are called to serve humanity, endowed with the art and science of caring. We are built on integrity and discipline that transcends through every generation. Immaculate and amicable, we are the source of hope to ailing ones and the foundation for building a healthy world. Together we shall stand. No seas are great, no seas are caring, an epitome of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be an us. From near and far we have gathered with one goal, to uphold the good name of our profession, and for neatness and splendor, U for understanding, R for responsiveness, S for selfless service, I innovative and initiative, N for honorability, G for gentleness and love. No seas are great, no seas are caring, an epitome of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be an us. We are called to serve humanity, endowed with the art and science of caring. We are built on integrity and discipline that transcends through every generation. Immaculate and amicable, we are the source of hope to ailing ones and the foundation for building a healthy world. Together we shall stand. No seas are great, no seas are caring, an epitome of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be an us. From near and far we have gathered with one goal, to uphold the good name of our profession, and for neatness responsiveness, S for selfless service, I innovative and initiative, N for honorability, G for gentleness and love. No C's are great, no C's are caring, an epitome of humility in service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse. We are called to serve humanity, endowed with the art and science of caring. We are built on integrity and discipline that transcends through every generation. Immaculate and amicable, we are the source of hope to ailing ones and the foundation for building a healthy world. Together we shall stand. No C's are great, no C's are care.